Hello, scholars. Welcome to Clinical Psychology, Chapter 19, Forensic Psychology, Key Terms and Definitions. Welcome. ALI Standard, the most liberal standard for determining the insanity of a defendant. This standard attests that the defendant is not responsible for an unlawful act if it is caused from a mental disease or defect such that he or she lacked substantial capacity either to appreciate the criminality of the act or to conform to the law. Burden of proof, the obligation to establish the truth of an assertion in a court of law. Insanity plea, it is on the defense. Competency to stand trial, the defendant's state of mind at the time of trial. To be deemed competent, it must be shown that the defendant appreciates the nature of the charges and can report on his or her behavior at the time of the alleged offense. Expert witness, an individual who, by his or her uniqueness, is called on to help the court understand and evaluate evidence. Eyewitness testimony, testimony given by an individual who has witnessed part or all of an event, usually unreliable and distorted by information. Forensic psychology focuses on applying psychological concepts, methods, to questions/problems arising within the context of the legal system. Insanity plea, the assertion of someone accused of a crime that he or she was not sane or rational at the time of the alleged crime. Joint custody, an argument in which both parents share in the custody of a child following a divorce. Jury selection, a process in which attorneys for the prosecution and defense choose jurors for a case from a larger pool of possible jurors. Jury shadowing, the process of hiring individuals similar to those who are serving on a given jury and monitoring reactions. Magneton rule, determining insanity of the defendant. This rule requires the defense to prove that at the time of the unlawful act, the defendant's reasoning was too impaired. Preemptory charges, a set number of challenges allowed each side during the stuff to remove jurors suspected of bias. Voir dire, a legal term that refers to that part of the trial in which jury is selected. So that's part of the challenges thing from the previous term. Voluntary commitment, the circumstance in which individual agrees to be admitted and is permitted to leave at any time for this is usually in volunteering into an asylum or mental institution. Witness preparation, helping a witness present their testimony more effectively without changing the facts to which their testimony is directed. Thank you for joining us for Clinical Psychology, Chapter 19, Forensic Psychology, Key Terms and Definitions. Study hard out there, scholars!